Only bread, veggies, and 1 minute. Watch this. Your kids will love this, and it's super easy. Add your favorite vegetables. Here I took carrots and onions. Add chopped carrots and onions into your bowl. Add 1 spoon of mayonnaise and 2 spoons of ketchup. Mix everything well until smooth and creamy. Spread this crispy, creamy filling on 1 slice of bread. Cover it with the second bread slice. Heat a pan, add a little ghee and place the sandwich on it. Toast on both sides until golden and crunchy. That's it. Your super quick crunchy bread sandwich is ready. Perfect for breakfast, snack time or kids' lunchbox. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.